In this video, you'll learn how to back up your OKX wallet effectively. This process is crucial for ensuring the safety of your digital assets as it involves securing your seed phrase, which is essential for wallet recovery. To begin, open the OKX app on your mobile device. Once the app is launched, log in using your credentials. After logging in, tap on Wallet or Web3 Wallet to access your wallet information. If you are using a browser extension, navigate to the OKX Web3 Wallet page and click on your wallet name or profile icon located at the top of the interface. Next, open the settings menu. On mobile, this can typically be found by tapping on Profile or Settings within the wallet interface. If you are using the web version, you will find the Settings option within your profile dropdown. This step is essential as it leads you to the security features of your wallet. Now, locate the security section and select Backup Wallet. In this area, you will find the option to view seed phrase. Tap on this option and you will be prompted to enter your wallet password or your two-factor authentication code. Completing this step will allow you to see your seed phrase, which consists of either 12 or 24 secret words. This seed phrase is vital for recovering your wallet, so it is important to write it down on paper. Avoid saving it digitally, as this could expose it to potential theft. Store the written seed phrase in a safe and secure place, and consider creating a second backup in a separate location for added security. Remember, never share your seed phrase with anyone, not even with OKX support. After writing down your seed phrase, you may need to verify the backup. Some versions of the OKX wallet will prompt you to confirm the seed phrase. You will need to enter the words in the correct order as they appear. If you enter them accurately, you will receive a confirmation that your backup is complete, ensuring that your wallet is now safely backed up.